Hi, welcome to Nene's News, and on today's news is a history lesson about potato soup. Potato soup traces from its roots to the
Andes
of South America, where indigenous people first democrated domesticated wild potatoes. Brought to Europe in the 16th centuries, the versatile trooper became a dietary staple and inspired diverse, warm indigenous soups across Ireland, France, and Germany during those times of famine. Definition. Yes.
So, South America, long before European integration, ancient used potatoes in hearty grain-rich broths like
Locro.
Yeah.
These early indigenous methods established the foundational use of potatoes as a thickening and nutritioning agent. In soups. Ireland heavy dependent on the tuber for basic survival. The Irish created simple but life-sustaining soups by combining potatoes with local dairy such as milk or butter.
Interesting. And then in France, the classic potato and leek soup known as
Potage Parmentier
was popularized in the 18th century by the French nutrition
Antoine Parmentier.
This humble
Peasant
dish evolved in 1970 with French chef Louis Diet working at the
Ritz-Carlton
in New York
adapted
his grandmother's recipe into the cold, creamy
Vichyssoise.
and Germany known as
Kartoffelsuppe.
ooh, let's try saying what? Caught of till sap. This traditional sap staple emerged as a accessible resource for meal. It sustained generations through periods of hardship, war, and it's still enjoyed today with religious variations that include sausages and bacon. Yes. Clock it to all these countries that started this amazing soup. And another thing, 95% of us, our viewers, are not subscribing. I wonder why. And then shout out to that one subscriber. Shout out. Amazing. Here's a challenge for you, 95% of viewers. Please increase the numbers. Like,
bringing the vibes, what?
we're bringing vibes, but there's no vibes going on.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is all from Nene's Kitchen. Nene's Kitchen news and history lesson. Now we bring it back to Ma.